Are you a hormone optimization provider? Right now, about 40 to 50,000 women looking for help with menopause and their hormones are watching these videos every single month. I've created a brand new YouTube channel that's just for you as a hormone specialist. Simple Hormones for Providers. On this new channel, I'm going to show you how you can leverage some of those 40 to 50,000 views in your own practice. I'll explain all the resources I offer that help you streamline your medical practice. I'll show you some simple, low-cost tools that enhance your patient education process. I'll also be sharing some insights from successful hormone providers that I have relationships with, what's worked for them, what pitfalls to avoid, and their advice for growing a thriving hormone practice. I'll be catching up with some of the most caring, successful, and innovative hormone practitioners that I know in just a couple of weeks. And I'd love to pass their wisdom and experience on to you. So if you're a hormone optimization provider, subscribe now and click the notify bell. Become a part of my brand new Simple Hormones for Providers YouTube channel. And if you'd like to find out exactly how you can put your practice out in front of some of those 40 to 50,000 viewers that I get to grow your hormone practice, watch this video next.